little pumpkins. Whoa. Oh, 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes 15. And that's why it looks like this, because we erased the 0, because there's 5 more. We already had a 10. There's 5 more. Looks like this. And guess what? If we knew how to count by 5s, we could just go 5, 10, 15. That's how we count by 5s. All right, let's keep going. Did you see it on our number line? We're getting closer and closer to all the pumpkins that were outside. Let's see, 16. Coming down here, I'm drawing my 16th pumpkin. And even if you don't have a 10 frame, you can still draw these in this order. See, I'm just gonna lift this up because it's a magnet, and you can see that you could just draw them like me. 5 on top, 5 on the bottom. Now we're on 5 on the top here. There's 1 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a 10 is already there and 6 more, 16. If we wanted to write an equation, this might be hard, but you'll get there. 10 plus 6 more equals 16. We'll get there later in the year. It's okay if you don't understand that. All right, now we're gonna move on to 17. 17 little pumpkins sitting on the deck. Let's come down here and build it. 15, 16, 17. Mabel, what do you think? I think this is really cool. It's super interesting to be able to build all the way to 17. Ooh, yeah. All right, now let's go to 18. Number 18's right there. Let's build another pumpkin. Now we have 10 pumpkins in this 10 frame, and we have 8 in that 10 frame. 10 and 8 more. 10 and 8 more, 18. Wow. And this isn't a 1, this is actually a 10. So 10 and an 8. We have a 10 and an 8. I'll erase that equation so it's not confusing. All right. Let's see, how can we get to number 19? Let's add 1 more. Get to 19. There were 19 pumpkins out there, right? Number 19 looks like that. A 10 and 9 more. A 10 and 9 more. If you were counting on your fingers, you'd have to start counting on your toes. Wow. All right. Let's go over here. Let's make 19 down here. 16, 17, 18, 19. So here's a 10. And here's 9 more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See how I just kept counting on? I already knew this was a 10. I didn't have to go through and count each one. I already knew that these together, a 5 and a 5, was a 10. I'm almost to another 10, but not quite. All right, what's next after 19? Oh, we forgot. We need to still count our 20th pumpkin. There were 19 pumpkins outside and 1 more in here. So now we really do have 20 pumpkins. Wow, that's a lot of pumpkins. That's 2 10 frames full of pumpkins. Whoa, 10 and another 10 is 20. Let's make an equation. If we have 10 pumpkins here and we have 10 pumpkins here, we must have 20 pumpkins. 10 plus 10 equals 20. And now we're on here. Number 20, we made it all the way. If we had even 1 more pumpkin, we'd be on 21. But we'll get there next time. Thanks so much for joining us today for counting. Can you add that last stick? Now you have a full 20 on your popsicle sticks. And look, we can smush those together and make 2 groups of 10. Pretty soon we're gonna learn to count by 5s, and you can go 5, 10, 15, 20. You can look up some videos of how to count by 5s right now. Thanks everyone. All right, thanks Bluey. We know you love counting. Thanks, everyone. Thanks, Mabel. You're always here to support us. And thank you, Pigeon. We always appreciate you. All right, take care and happy Halloween. Keep your eyes out for lots of pumpkins. Bye-bye. Thanks, everybody, for joining us for math today. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video where I'm going to dress up in a costume. I can't wait to see all of your wonderful costumes. And thanks again for counting pumpkins with us today. 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, "But we don't care." The fourth one said, "Let's run and run and run." The fifth one said, "It's just Halloween fun." Then went the wind and out went the lights. And the 5 little pumpkins rolled